Fly fishing can be a great way to connect with nature and experience the outdoors with friends and family. It requires a little bit of patience, but it's definitely worth the extra effort. Here's what you need to know before going fly fishing. First thing you'll need to learn is how to cast. Watching video tutorials or reading how-to articles is a great way to learn. But if you're struggling to learn on your own, reach out to your local fly shop or state wildlife agency. They typically provide lessons or host beginner events that you can attend. Next thing you need to know is where to find fish. Just like us, fish need to eat. They also need cover or structure to keep them safe. When fishing moving water like rivers or creeks, look for spots in the water where the fish may be hiding. Weed beds, behind downed trees, or rock piles are all great places to look. Calm pockets of water surrounded by fast-flowing water tend to hold fish because the fast water works as a conveyor belt of food, while the calm water provides a more energy-efficient place for the fish to feed from. Next, try to figure out what the fish are eating. Flip over a few rocks. What do you see? Are there insects underneath the rocks? Are there insects flying through the air? Do you see bait fish in the water? Note the size of the insects and the bait fish. It can help you when figuring out which fly to choose. There's a saying called match the hatch. It's matching the natural bait that you find in your area. And lastly, don't forget to buy your fishing license and be sure to abide by your state's local rules and regulations. Becoming proficient at fly fishing takes time, and even when you think you have it figured out, there is always more to learn. But that's what keeps it so exciting and interesting. Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to the Take Me Fishing YouTube channel, and for more helpful fishing tips, visit takemefishing.org.